Trader Zellman here, September 26, 2018. It's after the market close. Going to provide a trading report update on Gifa Inc., ticker symbol FRFS. Soon there will be change according to the news today that was released after the market closed. More news constantly is coming out. Remember the channels we had over here. Let me just, my apologies, I was just toying with these charts earlier. But remember the channels we had here before. I removed it just because I am looking at what it's going to do. So we had a channel here. It broke through, so I just canceled them. We had a couple of channels here, and I canceled that, removed that as well. And, you know, I changed the shoulder to a bigger shoulder because this channel was broken. So I would be expecting something like this as far as a reversal, right? And obviously continues heading up this way in angle, or just above 0.075. But you know the rhythm is with newer highs and higher lows, right? Higher highs and higher lows. That's what we're expecting. But aside from this information on a technical level, I mean, my God. After the market closed, Gifa Inc. report, a press release. It's a Market Watch, GlobeNewsWire.com. You know, Gifa reported that they're changing their ticker symbol, and they also stated that common shares are going to be removed. It was originally held by one of the members of Gifa. It's going to be removed and held in treasury instead, which is great for the shareholders. The only thing we're technically waiting for from this moment on is the financials. All right, we want to see the financials. That's the most important thing. We hadn't really seen the financials for FRFS Gifa, and my honest belief is this will happen sometime after the ticker symbol change, or as of the ticker symbol gets changed. Stock could halt. Anything can happen. I'm really excited. I'm really glad and happy for individuals who got into this position based on my belief in this stock, and individuals who actually sat in it while it was deteriorating. You know, others were trading it, others saw profits, got in, got out, got back in. I'm not gonna lie, I'm one of those individuals. Well, I got in at a higher price, but I got out a good portion. I kept something for in case. And she deteriorated, but my outlook was, hey, you know what? If I hold this for over a year and it does happen, I pay less in taxes. Okay, so I got until, I guess, I have to hold her until December of this year, and then I could cash out. But trust me, if she does really well before then, I'll cash out, I'll pay the 40%. Fuck it. Excuse my language. So I want to congratulate the individuals who held her for a while, been holding her while she deteriorated. They pretty much sat on their hands to make sure, because they really had belief in it. And you know what? Even though there was a lot of stories of how phony they were and everything, you know, we still really don't know the truth. But, you know, your eyes, you know, you can believe your own eyes. And when you see images of the Gifa building and videos of the Gifa building, and you see these, you know, luxury cars parked in front of the Gifa building in the parking lot, it makes you wonder, you know, and also makes you wonder, like, why would they put so much time and efforts? Like, how much money are they really making if they're scamming us, right? Like, all this time and effort. I mean, listen, like, I can give you a handful of shit. I could give you 100 scam ticker symbol companies, and you can tell they're scam a mile away. This company, you know, they're working really hard from their website, from their building, you know, videos, the news release. We don't know how much of it is true, but according to a lot of other penny stocks, this has more, it looks like there's more truth behind it than a lot of other penny stocks would be claiming what they are. Now, I'm still not saying that this is 100% real. Nobody truthfully knows unless you're actually living in Cyprus and know what's going on yourself and probably picking up shares yourself. Shit, I would, if they are real. So that's something to consider, and I want to congratulate all you guys again for holding on, and hopefully things happen the way a lot of us expect it to happen, and there will be success for all those who actually sat on their hands and held all their shares and kept accumulating the shares. Once again, my name is Zelman. You can follow me on Twitter @TradingTeacher. Visit my site for upcoming live trading courses, thetradingteacher.com.